Hey, what's this? A mystery bucket.
Bucket by name. Bucket by nature.
How are you today? You seem to be drunk a lot, and Daddy Lesteve said you knocked his drink over. He used the words twat or 7 times in one sentence.
Well, at least I did not cry.
Yes bro, that is a first for you. I'm only 21 on key, blah blah.
Anyway, there was this boy.
Oh, well that is a surprise to us all. Glover bucket.
Anyway. Blah 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 blah, and then he told me not to put it there, but I did anyway.
Please do not tell me up the bot, because that is definitely not cool. I was only joking when I said it was best. I was drunk, and no, the route to success is not up the Jack C.
Well, it was my 21st birthday. I should be able to have what I want.
It's my party and I will cry if I want to. Anyway, I'm most definitely going to get to a gig this weekend. There is a new pretentious band out called This Way, The Way, and everything we love about life. It's rousing, beautiful, and has catchy hook lines. I love how they draw out boring instrument repetition. I'm writing a review, if Daddy Lesteve can get me guest list, again. It's for Satan is in the record player, although I'm hoping my copy of 22,000 words will make it into Rolling Stone.
Hey. We were talking about me and this boy. It's not always about you, Miss Lawrence. As I was saying. Blah 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 blah.
Chill your mouth, Glover. Are you talking to me, or chewing a brick? Either way you are going to lose some teeth. Anyway, I have not got time for this. I need to go and fantasize about me, and my future husband. Sam McTrusty. Woo.
You're my best friend. I love you guys.
Blah.
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 Blah.